Good morning, students. Welcome back to our English class. Hope all of you are doing fine. Students, in our previous class, we have discussed definition of pronoun, reflexive pronoun, personal pronoun, possessive pronouns, and interrogative pronouns. In today's class, we will be discussing about demonstrative pronouns, relative pronouns, indefinite pronouns, and the difference between a pronoun and a determiner usage. Yes? So what is a demonstrative pronoun? A demonstrative pronoun is the pronoun which demonstrates, indicates, shows, or points to a thing or things, and they refer to whether it is the distance or time. For example, this when it is singular and these when it is plural, and it refers to the distance or time when it is far, the object or thing is far, and when it is singular it is that, and when it is plural it is those. Yes? Now let's just check the examples. Have you seen this? So here this is the demonstrative pronoun. That runs very fast. So that is the demonstrative pronoun. These are heavier than those. So here these and those are the demonstrative pronouns as they are pointing out at something. Now, as you understood what is demonstrative pronoun, don't get confused with a demonstrative pronoun and a demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative pronoun stands on its own. Yes, and a demonstrative adjective, it describes the noun in that sentence. Let us check with the example where you can understand better. See this sentence you take, that tastes good. Now here, that is the demonstrative pronoun. We already discussed now that, this, these and those are the demonstrative pronouns. Here that is the demonstrative pronoun. Now here same thing, that soup tastes good. I have written the sentence like this, a slight change. Now here that is the demonstrative adjective. Now you might get a doubt that previously you said that is a demonstrative pronoun, and now you say in the sentence that is a demonstrative adjective. Simple children, you need to know how to identify. Here soup is the noun, and now here what is an adjective which describes or tells something more about the noun. So that soup, we are talking about a particular soup. So that's why this, that, this one, this, that is used is the demonstrative adjective. Yes, I hope you understood. Let's discuss the next concept. It is relative pronouns. Students, what is the meaning of relative? Either we are related to that person or we are in relationship with that person. It might be our uncle, aunt, cousins, yes, or a niece, nephew. So we use the word he is our relative or she is our relative. Now here, when it comes to relative pronouns, they relate to a word or a group of words to the noun or pronoun in the sentence. Example, who, whom, whose, that, and which. And here, who, whom, and whose are used in the sentences when they refer to people or animals or anyone. So here, that and which are used to refer to objects. Let us check the examples. Where did you buy that dress you wore last week? So I am talking about a dress which was worn by someone last week. So that is the relative pronoun. In the next sentence, he is the, now here dress is a thing. a thing or object we can use now. I said no for that and which. So dress is a thing, so we are using that. He is the man whose hard work paid. Now here there was one man who had worked very hard and he got a good result. So we are talking about a man. And what do we use? With what kind of relative pronoun? Whose, who, whom and whose are used to relate to people. And that and which are used to things or objects. Yes? I hope you understood relative pronoun example. Let us check with this example, children. The team won the championship. The team planned to celebrate in Dubai. So here, when I'm using the word the team, it is like monotonous, yes, boring. Now suppose I write the sentence like this. I join the two sentences and write the sentence like this. The team that won the championship planned to celebrate in Dubai. Now here I have used the relative pronoun to join the sentences, two sentences to make it one. I'll explain to you related to this small concept. Now children, when you join two sentences that actually we have learned, you have learned in your previous classes, conjunction. Yes, have you heard that word? What is a conjunction? It joins two words or a group of words or two sentences. Yes. Now here even we did the same thing with relative pronoun. Now you might ask me, then relative pronoun and conjunction are the same? No. Relative pronoun here, that is that acts as a pronoun and a connector. Connector means which connects. But when it comes to conjunctions, but, and, because, so as, they only just join two sentences. Yes, hope I'm clear with the relative pronouns. So what are the relative pronouns? With, who, whom, whose, that and which are the relative pronouns, and they relate a word or the group of words to the noun or pronoun in the sentence. Yes. So the next topic is indefinite pronouns. In the word itself we can understand that it is not talking about anything specific. So indefinite pronouns do not specify any thing, object, person or amount. And here it is very vague and very indefinite. We don't know what it is referring to or what it is talking about. Like somebody, someone, nobody, no one, nothing, none, each, every. So here these again refer to certain things. Now if you find body or one as the suffix in the word, then they refer to persons. And when there is thing as the suffix in the word, they refer to things or objects. Let us check with the examples. So here words ending with one or body are people, and words ending with thing are related to objects or things. I want something that looks trendy. So we are talking about something. It might be a dress or it may be a phone or anything. Trendy means which is in fashion. Everyone was watching the cricket match. So here we are talking about people. Nothing is permanent in this world. So here you can, from these words you can identify that we are not referring to any specific thing. It is very indefinite or vague. Yes children, I hope you understood the concept of indefinite pronouns. Next I will be teaching you the difference between determiners and pronouns. Yes, that's all for today's class. Thank you.